Hi, welcome to this new session of the Learning with Fourth Slide HR, and today in this session we will be discuss about how you can use effectively the use of YY analysis with this new model where we have conquered many model to conclude with a single 5G model for YY analysis. After that, you can use this model for the kappa analysis and problem solving tool. How to do that? So basically what we have done here as the 4 slide HR, we are offering with you the knowledge of advancing of your skill here, how we can do an effective YY analysis. The 5G concept is quite useful, as mostly the people we use the word gamba in our day-to-day professional life, as some of the talk about 3G, and but rarely we use the 5G concept. In my professional career as an employee or as a learner or as a consultant or as a promoter of any learning system, that we have assembled all these 5 pillars of this concept into one, so that you can do the 3 specific analysis related to any problem. If there is any problem based at your professional, based on your personal life, you can analyze these problems based on this 5G model through YY analysis, kappa, and the problem solving tools. So how you can use this template and tool, I will share that with you here in this session today. And based of the learnings, and this models has been designed in the 5D model and self-use, and are some of the clients that we would be very sure, and also you will also find it very useful. So that please do share and like these sessions and promote this. So this 5G model for the YY analysis, kappa, and problem solving analysis, you can use it very easily, and we have designed it is in very useful way. There is the 2 different segment of this 5G model for you to implementation of the easy way. So first is the use of 3G techniques for 5I analysis. What is the 3G technique? So I'm explaining it here with you. The first G is come from the gamba. Gamba is the actual place, as if you are a professional or if you have worked in any organization and mostly in the manufacturing, so you will find this word everywhere as a gamba. Gamba is the actual place. Actual place mean where the problem is happening, where the things is happening, where the activity is happening, and the actual workplace, the shop floor, and the place where actual event happen. Understand this particular thing about gamba. Gamba is the actual place where the particular thing, any activity and any action has been happen. So gamba mean when you have to apply the YY analysis, what you have to do there, first go to the spot, mean go to the gamba where the things has happened, and then analyze that there, collect the information. So this is go to the first spot and then go to the next level of this 5G model is the gambitsu, mean actual things. In this second level, you have to identify the actual things, what has been happened at that particular place and what caused a problem for you. So you have to collect the information of that, or you have to examine that. The actual equipment, the material, product, or other object involved in causing of the any problem, causing of any product, causing of any issue and causing of the problem for any particular area and section. So you have to examine the objective there. What is the reason behind the problem and why it has been happened? So this is the Genbetsu is the second G of this 5G model. So when you go for the why analysis related to any problem or you want to solve a problem, then use this. First go to the first place and check out there and go to the spot where the things has been happened, and then go to the actual things. Now what is the particular, go to the niche level and get it down. So the actual thing, what exactly done, it was some equipment, it was some material, it is some product and other object involved in the problem. What has been happened? So examine that particular object. Now come to the third level of this 5G model. That third level is the Genjitsu. Genjitsu means the fact. When you go to the actual things and you examine how it has happened, then go to the third level, the facts. What was the facts actual, like the phenomena, what happened and what you can observe using the LLSFT technique. Check the fact and fingers. Check the fact and finger. Genjitsu means the fact, you have to check the fact and then the fingers too. Now there is the another this is the basically the 3G tools for WhyAnalysis. How to do this WhyAnalysis, you have to check out that. And then why, the phenomena, the effect, the potential causes and the most problem cause and the validated cause, it comes from these three reasons. And the three tools, the Gemba, Genbetsu and Genjitsu. Now this will be give you the why. Why means the description of the problem, then evidence. Why? The description of the problem, then evidence includes with that. Then why of the description of the problem and then includes the evidence with that. Then why, description of the problem and evidence, and then finally you will be come from the root cause of the problem. So this is how this model is working for the WhyAnalysis. Now come to the level number 4 or the pillar number 4 of this 5G model. That is the Gannery. Gannery means the principle and the theories, how to check that, where you can use for taking kappa and problem solving based on the WhyAnalysis. Mean the WhyAnalysis of the first part of coming to a solution for a problem. You done the WhyAnalysis and then come to the next level of this WhyAnalysis and come to the result. So what you have to do at the level 4, that is the Gannery mean the principle and theories behind this. Then you have to check the standard manual, SOPs and WIs. It are those things, the standard manual, SOPs and WIs are as per the required standard. Is that available or is that something faulty? You have to check that with the Gannery mean the principle and theory. Check or compare with the principles and the theory, your standard, your manual, SOPs and WIs, etc. whatever is available at the particular place, means the Gamba and the location of the things happen at the actual place. So the 4 pillar of this 5G model we have completed. The first one was Gamba, Genbetsu, the third one is Genjitsu, and on these 3 tools you can do the 5 analysis, and when the root cause has been come, then you can go to the analysis through the Gannery. Gannery is the principle and theory. You have to check the fact and manuals and the standard you have implied there based on these principles and theory in the Gannery section, means G4. Now come to the 5th pillar of this 5G model, that is the Gannery, and that is Gensoku. Gensoku means standard and parameters. When you checked all that, then you have to re-standardize those manual scopes and instructions based on your analysis and root cause what has been come out from the why analysis. Then follow standard. If not there, make an implementation of them, mean you have to standardize and make the parameter for those with the follow standard and improve, make all follow standards. In the model number 5 Gensoku, you have to do that follow standard on or implement, improve and follow standard based on this 5 model. So hope this 5G model will work for you for analysis of any problem and getting the root cause for any problem. You can use this model based on the 5 different pillars and steps. So there is a line in the 2 segmentation. First is the why analysis for getting a root cause of a problem, and second that is there for the thing of the where you have to standardize the principle and theory, is that available and is there missing some, that you have to analyze that. And then after the Gensoku main, you have to re-standardize that and give them new parameters and implement those. That for analysis of the reason behind that and why that has a weapon, you can go for the why analysis. How to do that? So first of all, start out with the first why, then why description, what has done, collect the evidence attached with those, then for second why, the description and evidence. Based on that, you will be come to the root cause and use this 5G model for the why analysis kappa and the problem solving tool. It will be help with you. See you in the next session with impressive session. Till then, bye bye. Have a good note with the 4-slide HR and learn the new thing and new learning tools with us. Thank you so much.